Are you making a copy of a Google Slides presentation and don't need all the slides, just a few? Do you want to keep all the slides but clear the speaker notes so you can add in new things you'd like to say? Copy select slides or clear speaker notes in one easy step. I'm Mae Martin, Google's productivity advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to make a copy of select slides and/or clear speaker notes. In a slides presentation, hold down Command or Control while you click on only the slides you'd like to copy and select them. Then go to File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides Only. From there, you can choose to keep your sharing settings, and you can choose whether to keep or clear speaker notes. So there you have it. Copy specific slides and reset speaker notes in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.